Upgrading performance with Lexus IS wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems. Lexus IS wheel spacers increase the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance.
The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
When choosing wheel spacers, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!